exactly how hackers are using AI to crack passwords in 2025, and more importantly, how you can stay protected. Don't touch that dial. Alright, first up we've got PassGAN. Now if you're a tech nerd like me, you've probably heard of GANs or generative adversarial networks. Basically, you've got two neural networks duking it out. One's trying to create something, in this case passwords, and the other's trying to tell if it's real or fake. Over time the network gets so good, it's spitting out passwords that look just like the real deal. But here's where it gets scary. Hackers are feeding PassGAN massive dumps of leaked passwords, the ones from those data breaches you hear about all the time. So, it's learning from the worst of the worst, picking up on all our bad habits. Think about it, most people's passwords aren't exactly Fort Knox level security. We're talking password 123, QWERTY, I love you 123, you get the picture. PassGAN eats that stuff up. It analyzes those patterns, those predictable sequences, and uses them to generate passwords that are highly likely to crack your accounts wide open. And the more data it gets, the smarter it gets. It's like a self-learning password cracking machine, constantly evolving, constantly getting better at what it does. It's kind of terrifying when you think about it. So, yeah, PassGAN is a big deal. Next up, we've got a classic tool with a futuristic upgrade, John the Ripper. Now John's been around for ages. It's a go-to for password cracking using brute force to try every combination imaginable. But here's the thing, brute force can be slow, especially when you're dealing with complex passwords. That's where AI comes in. See, instead of just randomly chucking passwords at the wall and seeing what sticks, AI gives John the Ripper laser focus. It analyzes leaked password databases, just like PassGAN, but it uses that information to prioritize guesses. It's like giving John the Ripper a cheat sheet, telling it which passwords are more likely to work based on real-world data. So instead of wasting time on random combinations, it's going straight for the jugular, targeting passwords that humans are likely to use. This means shorter cracking times, higher success rates, and a whole lot more compromised accounts. It's brute force, but on steroids. Chapter 3 HashCat plus AI Supercharging brute force attacks. Okay, let's talk HashCat. Now HashCat is another heavy hitter in the password cracking world. It's known for its speed, using your graphics card's processing power to brute force those passwords at lightning speed. But even with all that raw power, cracking complex passwords can still take time, sometimes a ridiculously long time. But guess what? AI's here to save the day, or should I say, ruin it for us. By analyzing massive datasets of leaked passwords, AI can actually optimize HashCat's brute force attacks. It's like giving HashCat a sixth sense. It can start predicting the most common character sequences, the most likely password structures, and use that information to prioritize its guesses. So, instead of just blindly trying every combination, it's working smarter, not harder. This significantly reduces the time it takes to crack those passwords. We're talking about turning days, weeks, even months of cracking time into hours or even minutes. That's the power of AI, and trust me, it's a game changer in the wrong hands. Chapter 4. Hydra with AI, Weaponizing Login Attempts. Now let's talk about Hydra, a tool that's all about brute forcing login portals. You see, it's not always about cracking the password itself, sometimes it's about overwhelming the system with login attempts. Hydra's great at that, trying different username and password combinations until it hits the jackpot. But here's where AI adds fuel to the fire. With AI, Hydra can analyze stolen credentials. Those lists of usernames and passwords floating around the dark web. It can then use that information to prioritize its attacks, targeting accounts that are more likely to use weak or compromised passwords. It's like giving Hydra a hit list, and trust me, it's not going to stop until it gets in. This combination of brute force and AI-powered targeting makes Hydra incredibly dangerous, especially for websites and services with weak login security. Chapter 5, PeoPal plus Machine Learning, the Dictionary Attack Evolution. Last but not least, we have PeoPal, a tool that takes dictionary attacks to a whole new level. See, dictionary attacks have been around forever. It's basically throwing a list of words at a login screen and hoping something sticks. But PeoPal, powered by machine learning, is anything but basic. It analyzes massive data sets of leaked passwords looking for patterns, common phrases, and even slang that people use in their passwords. It then uses that information to create highly effective word lists, custom-tailored for different targets and industries. Think about it, if you're trying to break into a gaming account, you're going to need a different word list than if you're trying to access a bank account. PeoPal understands that. It creates these laser-focused word lists, making its dictionary attacks incredibly effective. It's like having a master code breaker whispering the most likely passwords in your ear, and that's not something you want to mess with. So, there you have it guys, that's how hackers are using AI to crack passwords in 2025. It's a scary thought, but knowledge is power. The more you understand these threats, the better equipped you'll be to protect yourself. Remember, cybersecurity is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. It's an ongoing process, a constant battle between the good guys and the bad guys. And trust me, the bad guys are always upping their game. That's why it's crucial to stay informed, to stay ahead of the curve. And that's what we're all about here at Easy, bringing you the latest insights, the most critical information to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity breakdowns. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and remember, knowledge is your best defense.